Hey, this is Jamie at UberonN. So I just made a quart of homemade creamy ranch dressing. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is to make, and you don't even need milk or buttermilk. Okay, for ingredients, this is a whole jar of mayonnaise. Now, the mayonnaise you get now is not quite a quart. This is 30 ounces. We're going to use a half cup of water, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, 2 teaspoons of dried chives, 1.5 teaspoons of powdered garlic, 1 teaspoon of powdered onion, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and a half teaspoon of salt. Alright, to get started, we're going to put all of our dry ingredients into our mixing bowl. We're going to mix that up. Alright, and then we're going to add our water. Now we're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes to let all these dry ingredients kind of meld together. We're going to let that sit for about 5 minutes. Okay, this has been sitting for about 5 minutes, so all we have to do now is put our mayonnaise in. Now we're just going to whisk this up. Okay, so I've zoomed in here to show you this. I'm sure you've noticed that I did not use buttermilk or milk in this recipe, and you really don't need it to make a really creamy, great tasting ranch dressing. You can take a look at that right there. This is ready to go for salads or dipping, chicken wings, whatever you want to use it for. This is ready to go. And one benefit is it lasts a lot longer in the refrigerator, up to about 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we are just going to put this in a quart mason jar. Okay, and you'll notice it perfectly fills up a 1 quart mason jar. Okay, now this recipe makes exactly 1 quart of ranch dressing. Now, obviously I've got a lot of mason jars around the house. I put this in a mason jar. Now I use a plastic lid. I do not recommend using a metal lid. I've tried that before. It doesn't work. The ingredients in the ranch dressing somehow reacts to the metal lid of a regular mason jar lid, and it's probably the vinegar in the mayonnaise. And so it gives the top layer of your dressing a little weird taste. So don't do that. I don't recommend that. If that's all you got for a lid, put a piece of saran wrap right here and then put your metal lid on that. Other options, you can put this back in the mayonnaise jar. Obviously you'll have a little left over, and that's okay. You can eat that first. Another option is any other type of plastic container that you can seal and put in your refrigerator. Now this is going to last about 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator. So we hope you gained some useful knowledge on how easy it is to make your own homemade ranch dressing without buttermilk or milk. That's still great tasting and creamy. Thanks for watching.